Hey YouTube, it's me, and I'm Moist Andy. Now I gotta make something to survive off of here. I got my ingredient, and now I'm gonna cut it in here. Oh, and get this stickers off. Then this is just a simple chicken stew because, well, I couldn't really, I didn't find where they put the rice in the Trader Joe's, the beans and the rice. I don't know where they got that, and can't afford to waste anything. Yeah, I got the later in about an hour. I'm gonna just go deliver something from Walmart in Alexandria, apparently. There's 3 there, Richmond Highway, and then Kingston Boulevard, and there's one more someplace. I'm gonna just figure out, download the app when my guy texts me soon. While I wait, I washed off my plastic sheet to get like the antifreeze out. It's still drying off on the porch. And so I was thinking maybe if I put in some Honey Bunches of Oats cereal. It's the only other thing I have to really sustain myself with right now. It would just mess up the taste, you know. I don't think that sweet doesn't combine with savory. It would be like a chicken porridge. I don't think it would be that appetizing though. What I'm trying to do is save half of this chicken here and put it in the broiler with potatoes and onions and make a salad with that tomorrow. One of these chickens is $10. It's pretty nice. Just open all of it up. Oh, that's a beautiful looking piece of meat. I just gotta separate it in half. And join up from both ends. Get through those ribs. I could use some chicken shears, but I don't know how to really do this. This is just easier for me. Little blunt dissection here. Get the rest of the way through that breastbone. That part's mostly cartilage though. And okay, little spine cord here. A little bit more to get through. That's just going in the broiler tomorrow. The spine cord pieces on that side of it. And I got this, I'll set that for now there. Some celery, some butter. And I'm using 2 tomatoes. I forgot I should grab the onion also. Oh, so I was gonna apply to a bunch of data center jobs in Dulles and sterling and molasses, and then the area. But they all seem to want to ask for a bachelor's degree. I don't really know how to get that right now. I got one more onion left. This is the second to last onion, so I can do the thing with the broiler tomorrow. Simply and easily get this and chocolate. Should fill the pot anyway. I like to slow cook my chicken crock pot like 6 hours on high heat. That's perfectly good to get the meat to separate from the bones and get all the onions like translucent. It smells just so good. If I fall asleep while it's on, I mean, I get dreams about it. The other day I had a really good dream, like, as the cooking smells increased, I started to think of car batteries, but then I thought that the smell was coming from like under the hood in the Jeep. Like my battery was getting all hot, but it smelled like chicken soup. It was crazy. Ew. It's kind of just chicken soup without the lentils in it, and no other beans. I don't have no chickpeas. I don't have kidney beans. The butter is so that as it melts, the flavors all combine together. One good harmony. Oh, I got it already almost. I didn't waste anything. Last step is the garlic water, of course, back here, really quickly. This so that it's seasoned properly here. Oh yes. It should turn out fine anyway. This is the cleanest smelling dishcloth I had. I don't know why, they just all, I can't wash the cooking smell off of them. Then I need good salt amount so that it like lasts longer, and I don't even refrigerate this. I just eat out of the pot and microwave as needed. I like a little Spanish paprika in it. It mixes well with the garlic. And I found out that just a sprinkle of turmeric is perfectly sufficient to season it the rest of the way. Get every flavors I need in it. This needs a little more liquid. Just a small bit more here. You gotta watch and see until it gets about an inch away from where the lid sits. And that's about right, because it's mostly vegetables and the salt mixes down in it, so it would cook. This is the wrong lid. Oh, for my egg pan. Yeah. So follow me here to the crockpot station. I got all this food here. I don't want to spill it though. Oh. Yeah, well, this is gonna be about ready at 7 p.m. Just plugging it under, and now it's all on. Oh, yeah, I fixed up a couple bike tire tubes and tires, but I only found out the 25C tube that I had sitting, it was originally on this mag wheel. That's the same wheel I crashed the motorcycle with. It just flung right off. The fork cracked in half, and I got life-altering disabilities. I don't tell that to these employers in these job applications. If you admit, you say you have a disability, I guess the AI automatically clicks the checkbox yes or no, and then you don't get it in any way. There's just some strawberry, some milk, not much else to see here. Some cheese, some lettuce, and tomatoes. And I do have some eggs though, so I can make another banana bread. I just ate a banana. These have been here for too long. They're soft now. I think the next step then, let's make some lemonade now, because they will go bad soon. This will just give me some more vitamin C and something to put in my jug while I drive around to the Walmart and make these deliveries. This is my first try doing this. I don't know if it's the Spark app or which apps they're talking about. He said he'd text me at 1 o'clock. They said he was talking about splitting the delivery with another cargo van driver, because he was originally going to send me all the way to Burke, but that's half an hour driving. So I told him no way. I mean, I gotta just be sensible about this. Little lemon juice goes a long way. I mix it with some honey and ice water. Just the secret with this method, you gotta rinse the pulp off to continue going. I wish I could get lemons or some other citrus fresh off of a tree, but they don't really grow very well in this climate. I guess I can save this for like tonight, probably. That should be sour enough. the chicken was here really fast. I need to just save it for tomorrow, right? And the guts here, yeah. Ooh. I like making that banana bread. I'm gonna make more though, because it is a dozen eggs. I would put eggs into the salad when I run out of chicken meat. There's nothing but really old leftovers in this fridge. And some of them contain like cooked rice. I guess I could put that into a future chicken stew. It's a good idea. I make a lot of ice, but I only need to use a little bit for this lemonade. Then the last step is just some sweetness. Only that much should do it. And sometimes I add honey to my protein shake. But yeah, this will keep me from going too thirsty out in the hot day. Okay, well, it's just been me again in the kitchen now. I hope that you have a nice time and enjoy the nice weather, but just be careful. The bugs also like the nice weather too. You can't go outside without. I found a fresh spritz of cologne right next to my cheek. Keeps them away from getting in my eyes and like my hairline, and to prevent them from going in my ears, I always have to wear a hat outside.